All right, brother, here's what we're going to do. And I'm going to do this for everyone. We are going to go through two of the emulators for 3DS that work on all Android handhelds. Obviously, including the Thor, which is where it really is made best. And I'm going to evaluate both of those emulators. And which ones I like better, and then also kind of go through how they work. All right. So this is called a front end called Cocoon FE. And it's just a pretty place to play your games, to have your games. So here's, all my games I got here. And there are two major emulators for 3DS. There is Citra, and I have Citra MMJ. Is it MMJR or MMJ? And then you have Azahar. So Azahar is the one that gets, as far as I know, updated more frequent, or just gets updated in general. Citra does not anymore, and this is a version that wasn't really getting updated anyway. Now, I use Citra, and I have all my games linked to that because that one, it just seems that out of the box, 3DS games work better for me, for Citra. So, but I'll go to Azahar because this one you can find on the Play Store. So actually, let's actually go and make sure. So we'll go to Google Play Store here. So you search Azahar and you find Azahar Emulator. All right, so this is the one I just installed. So learn how to set up Azahar. So we're gonna get started. Permissions, notifications, fine. Microphone while using the app. Camera, I don't have no camera, don't allow. Whatever. Next. All right, so select user folder. So this is where it's not your ROMs folder. This is the folder where it just stores the data for the app itself. So you can just create a new folder, and this is going to be in your. Well, this is like the root of my internal storage. So we'll use this folder Azahar, allow. Okay, cool. Right. And then for applications, that is where your games are going to be. So applications, and we're going to go to, I already have a folder, a ROMs folder with my 3DS games. So we're going to use this folder here, allow. Next, done. All right, so we're all set. And then boom, there are my games. So if you want to try them out, let's try something like, good old faithful Mario Kart 7. And the bottom screen, it did not change. Look at that. Okay, so let's figure this out on how to make this dual screen. So first, in order to take out the overlay, we're going to press this back button here. It's going to bring up this menu. We're going to go to overlay options. I'm going to tap show control overlay, toggle that off. Cool. All right, I just got it set up to have it dual screen, as you see normally. And so I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. So you're going to go and you're going to press the back button again. You're going to go to settings, right? Wrong one. To layout. And then you're going to scroll down to secondary display screen layout and make sure that says bottom screen. And then when you go to landscape screen layout, make sure it says single screen. Huh. That's weird. Let's see if I can fix this. All right, so I didn't auto map. So we're going to auto map controller. So we're going to press the A button on the controller here. Boom, it's auto mapped. Now we're going to go back. And now, all right, there we go. We got the buttons working. Let's go to Grand Prix. And it's not even, actually, let's get the graphics going. So let's, because it's kind of So we're going to go to settings again. We're going to go to graphics. And then the graphics API should actually be Vulkan. But we can switch to internal resolution. And we can put it at, honestly, we can do even 4 times native. I'm going to do, let's try 4 times native. Just see how it works. Go back. Now look at that. Looks a lot prettier, right? All right, I missed my boost, but look how nice it looks, right? And it's running pretty well on Azahar as well. This is the newest update, so Can't complain too much. It's not like really any stuttering. But I am still used to Citra MMJ, so I'm going to show you how I rock with that. So you'll want to search Citra MMJ Android on Google, and then you're going to click on the first one here. And then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to go to download. I like to download the first one, Citra MMJ 2025, whatever. So once it's installed, this is what things are going to look like. Pull refresh, long press. So add folder to library, right? So in order to do that, you're going to tap on add folder. So I'm a little scared to do this because my stuff is already connected, I guess. So it's like a little weird, but whatever. Add folder to library. And then you find wherever your ROMs folder is. So we're going to go to, for me to be here, and then we're going to download ROMs, and then 3DS, and then OK. And then boom, you got your games, and just the same way that we did it on Azahar is the same way we don't here. But the thing is, with this, it automatically connects to both screens, and also the controller pad should be working straight up. So, and I already have a save here, so yeah. And I like this because it's just, it doesn't have as much stuttering. The shaders synchronize pretty fast compared to, at least Azahar might be like better now. I have to test it a little bit more, but it does pretty well. In order to get to settings, you press the back button and it'll show up here. I know you can't, it's hard to see, but you got cheat codes, you got edit buttons, you got a bunch of different little things here. But yeah, so that's the basics in playing 3DS. If there's something that like just, geez, dude, there's something that doesn't make sense, let me know in the comments. If you want to know where to get games, check my the pinned post on a profile that has the ROM sites that I use, or at least some of them. And also, if you support me, you get access to that video. It's just, for extra support, and also, because I don't want to publicly, show the websites. So if you support me, you get access to them. Otherwise, you can just ask people or look on Reddit or whatever, and people will tell you if they want to tell you. So, all right. Thanks for supporting, and I'm only sucking at this right now because I'm barely paying attention. Okay, bye.